Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel once again. Dear viewers, do you know how to say car in Arabic? Do you know how to say airport in Arabic? Do you know how to say ticket in Arabic? Do you know how to say ship in Arabic? If you don't know, you are kindly requested to see this video up to end. Dear viewers, I made this language video especially for those people who loved Arabic language very well and want to speak and learn this language. If you are really interested in Arabic, then this video will be very useful for you. So, for today's topic of my lesson is transportation, and this is a universal truth that transportation is too much required and essential things in our daily life. Through this video, you will learn how to use transportation word in Arabic language. So let's begin. Now see types of transportation. Now see transport. For transport, we use in Arabic naqliyat. Naqliyat means transport. Now see bicycle. For bicycle, we use in Arabic darraja. Darraja means bicycle. Now see motorbike. For motorbike we use in Arabic darrajatun nariya. Darrajatun nariya means motorbike. Now see helmet. For helmet we use in Arabic khuza. Khuza means helmet. Now see car. For car we use in Arabic sayyara. Sayyara means car. Now see taxi. For taxi we use in Arabic sayyara ujra. Sayyara ujra means taxi. Now see fare. For fare we use in Arabic ujra. Ujra means fare. Now see bus. For bus we use in Arabic bas. Bas means bus. Now see bus stop. For bus stop we use in Arabic mahatta bas. Mahatta bas means bus stop. Now see passenger. For passenger we use in Arabic rukab. Rukab means passenger. Now see truck. For truck we use in Arabic shahina. Shahina means truck. Now see driver. For driver we use in Arabic sa'iq. Sa'iq means driver. Now see wheel. For wheel we use in Arabic ijla. Ijla means wheel. Now see ship. For ship we use in Arabic safina. Safina means ship. Now see vehicle. For vehicle we use in Arabic arba. Araba means vehicle. Now see train. For train we use in Arabic qitar. Qitar means train. Now see railway station. For railway station we use in Arabic mahatta al-qitar. Mahatta al-qitar means railway station. Now see railway track. For railway track we use in Arabic tariqu sikkatul hadidiyya. Tariqu sikkatul hadidiyya means railway track. Now see airport. For airport we use in Arabic matar. Matar means airport. Now see flight. For flight we use in Arabic tayran. Tayran means flight. Now see plane. For plane we use in Arabic ta'ira. Ta'ira means plane. Now see first class. For first class we use in Arabic ad-darajatul ula. Ad-darajatul ula means first class. Now see standard class. For standard class we use in Arabic ad-darajatul adiyah. Ad-darajatul adiyah means standard class. Now see pilot. For pilot we use in Arabic tayyar. Tayyar means pilot. Now see boat. For boat we use in Arabic qarib. Qarib means boat. Now see ferry. For ferry we use in Arabic ibara. Ibara means ferry. Now see subway. For subway we use in Arabic nufuq. Nufuq means subway. Now see map. For map we use in Arabic kharita. Kharita means map. Now see ticket. For ticket we use in Arabic tadhkira. Tadhkira means ticket. Now see ticket office. For ticket office we use in Arabic maktabut tadhakir. Maktabut tadhakir means ticket office. Now see one way. For one way we use in Arabic fi ittijahin wahidin. Fi ittijahin wahidin means one way. Now see return. For return we use in Arabic auda. Auda means return. So this is enough for today. I hope you understood very well transportation word in Arabic language through this video. So see you again with new topic in next class inshallah. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.